Welcome to another video. On today's video, we're going to be talking about the beauty formula Niacinamide Serum. This is it. I've used 2 bottles. No, I'm currently on the second bottle. Let me not lie. See, I've never lied to you guys. I'm currently on the second bottle. Good. Okay. It contains very skin-friendly ingredients. We have niacinamide, which is the star ingredient. It contains panthenol. It contains allantoin, sodium hydroxide, propanediol, so many other ingredients actually. All these ingredients actually help to brighten up, soothe, hydrate the skin. They are all skin-friendly ingredients. Okay. We know what niacinamide is. I've talked a lot about niacinamide on this channel. I think this is the third video I'm filming on niacinamide. Now, this is a 10% concentration. So if you are still a beginner with niacinamide, can you start with 10% concentration? Yes and no. I'll explain. Now, yes, in the sense that some person's skin might not find 10% concentration irritating. Someone like me, I started off with a 15% concentration. Yes, you know the balance active niacinamide, that was the first ever niacinamide serum I used on my skin, and I did not react. It did not irritate me in any way. Now, some persons are going to use concentrations of 10% and react heavily. So it all depends on your skin. But if you are still a starter, start off with something like 5%. If there is even something lesser than 5%, you can start with that, then build your tolerance level. Everybody's skin is not the same. Now, this niacinamide is it is a clear, it's a clear liquid. Okay, let me use it on my skin so you guys will see. You see? So it is a clear liquid that it is not quite runny. It is not really a runny serum. You see, so it is not really runny like that. Well, sure, most serums are not runny. Now, let's talk about my personal experience with this serum. Now, I got this serum for 5,000 naira. I got it for 5,000 naira, and if you ask me, it is the cheapest niacinamide serum I have ever used in my life. It is the cheapest, honestly. It is cheaper than the Face Facts serum if you've watched the review of that. Now, this niacinamide serum, I'm going to be sincere, right? Good. Now, it did not irritate my skin. It absorbed very fast into my skin. But I have only one issue with this niacinamide serum. What is this? Can you see this white stuff here? Can you see it? Good. Now, when I got this product, this was not there. Okay? See, just look through the cover. It was not there. Now, let's say as at the third week of me using it, I started noticing this whitish stuff. So at first I was thinking maybe I bought an expired niacinamide serum, or just that it has spoiled. That was what was in my mind. So then I asked my vendor to be sure that she did not give me a spoiled or expired serum, and she confirmed that the product is still very, very good. Now, I got this first bottle in August 2024. Because of my experience with it about this, I did not buy it again. Now, some persons asked for the review of the Beauty Formula Niacinamide Serum from me. I was like, okay, let me get it again and know if I will experience something better. Now I have gotten it again. I have not even gone halfway this product. I have not even gone halfway this product, and this is it again. And see, the white stuff is already forming. I don't know if you guys can see this. The white stuff is already forming around the lid. Now it makes me ask, what is this? Beauty Formula brand. I would really want to know why this comes in this, why this whitish stuff always comes with this product. I want to know if I'm the only one experiencing this. If I'm not the only one, please let me know if If you did not experience it with your own niacinamide serum, please let me know. Let me know if it's from my vendor. Okay. Now, to me as a consumer, it's giving off that this might contaminate the content, that this might contaminate the niacinamide itself. So I don't know. I really cannot say what this is. But in all sincerity, am I going to be buying this serum again? A very big no. Not as though it is not good on my skin. You can see I rubbed it at the back of my palms, and I use this every night on my skin. And my skin does not react. It does not irritate my skin in any way. Just that as a concerned consumer, I am scared. What if one day is just what if one day is just decides to irritate my skin? But aside this white stuff, I don't have any other issue with the brand. I don't have. This is actually a very, very affordable serum. I think it is even the cheapest. I don't know. But it is a very, very affordable serum. Trust me. If you are looking for a very good brand niacinamide serum that is still very quite affordable to try, Beauty Formula is a good brand. Just that I don't the packaging is this whole whitey stuff is giving I am cheap. I am cheap. Okay. And truly, truly, it is affordable. Let me not use the word cheap. It is truly, truly affordable. But I've used other brands of affordable niacinamide serums, and it did not give off this. You see this white thing? I did not see it in any of them. I'm just experiencing this first with the Beauty Formula brand. So please, this is just the only thing negative I have to say about the brand. But every other thing about it, about this niacinamide serum I have used, though, don't ask me about any of their products. I'm talking of the ones I have used personally. So this is the very first product I have used, and it is okay on my skin. As you can see, my skin is well radiant. It is well brightened up. Just that the packaging is giving something else. I don't like the packaging. And I don't think anybody is going to like this. No. Okay. So please share with me your experiences with this niacinamide serum. Let me know if I'm the only one experiencing this. Let me go and hold my vendor by the waist so that she will explain. But if I'm not the only one, still let me know in the comment section. Okay. See you in my next video. Bye.